G'day! I've got a new chicken coop. I'm so stoked. Have a look at this, everyone. I'm so happy right now. Total freebie. Absolutely wrapped. 3 of my girls have a new home. How cool is this? Totally free. I do have to thank my parents-in-law who actually got it for me and brought it over. And we've now got it sat right here under the trees where they'll stay nice and cool in summer. And then obviously we don't have snow here, so they'll be warm in here during winter. And I'm so happy right now. I've had a bit of bad luck lately and this was such a good thing to happen for me right now. I'm absolutely wrapped, and I've got the basics in there just to show them that it's home and to sort of know where they have to go and stay safe and comfortable and stuff like that. But over time I'll work on it, I guess, and try and fix it up a bit for them. So I'm just so happy about this, and I'm happy for the girls. They should be comfortable, a lot more comfortable. How awesome are these nesting boxes that my mother-in-law makes? They're so cool. And then I've, of course, made them a ladder so they can walk up and down. For the moment, I've got a couple of sticks in there for them to roost on, and they seem to like those. And the roof's a nice metal solid roof. That's not going anywhere. Not letting any rain in either. It looks really nice and solid too, so I think this will be here for a while. Those 2 metal nesting boxes are so cool. Well, I call them boxes, but they're actually a barrel shape because they're made of tin, I guess, drums. But yeah, my mother-in-law, she makes them, and I do believe one of my kids has actually helped her on the holidays and stuff too with them occasionally. And yeah, she gave me a couple of those, so I'm really wrapped. So again, I've got to thank my mother-in-law because again, it's another cost that I didn't have to worry about. I've still got to put a door latch on here, which I do have inside, so I'll probably do that after I finish recording. And I might actually make a small doorway in the bottom of the door for the chickens. That way they can go in and out, because the dog is a bit snoopy and she always comes down, and she's going to be going, well, in fact, she has been going inside it already, and I don't want her in there. So, yep, I think a chicken door will work for this. Somewhere down the bottom anyway. Thanks very much for sticking around and checking out my new chicken coop. I'm so happy. If you wouldn't mind checking out this video on the screen right now, that'd really help with my channel growth and giving me a thumbs up and all that. Anyway, I will see you next time, hopefully on the next video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.